So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can set up call forwarding on a Redmi device. Now I have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with me here and let's look at the steps involved. So here you have to first locate at the caller app. So once you open up the phone app, you will see that you have this small little three dashes. Tap on this. So head towards phone settings. Now you will see that third setting from the top is about call forwarding. So you need to tap on this. Once you enter here, you will see that there are several options. So these are all about call forwarding. So here you can set up the different number. So suppose you have a certain different number, you can put in the number, and suppose somebody is calling you on your original number, and if that number is busy, this is where the people will head towards. So you can do this for your lines being busy, or when your phone is being unanswered, or when the phone is unreachable. So if you're in a wrong network area, or maybe in a busy network area where there are no signals, you can set up a different alternate number. So these are great options when you have a dual SIM setup. So maybe you are having different carriers and one of the carrier is belonging to a network which is pretty inaccessible in certain areas. So you can use this option and set up a different number. So like suppose somebody is calling me on my number X and my X is not reachable. So I now set up for a different number Y. So if Mr. Harry is calling me on X and X is unreachable, the phone will get forwarded to my number Y and Harry will be able to reach me on number Y as well. So you can do this and you can set up call forwarding, and these are the steps pretty much for setting it up on a Redmi device. I hope that today's tutorial helps you enable call forwarding options on a Redmi, and hopefully if this helps, kindly forward this to your friends. Please do subscribe, tap on the bell icon for notifications, and do let me know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. So that's all from my side. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.